Trelawney woman gone missing in Montego Bay. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Just 3 days after burying his brother, Shane Mackenzie, who was gunned down, Andre Young met a similar fate on Wednesday afternoon. The 34-year-old businessman was shot dead while driving his car, a silver Honda Stream motor car, along the Rose Hall Main Road on the outskirts of Montego Bay. He had just left his house in Lilliput. The incident, which occurred just after 3 p.m., caused a buildup of traffic along the busy Rose Hall Main Road as the police processed the crime scene. According to information reaching Links 007 TV News, the incident took place in full view of tourists who were traveling the road. Several hotels are located in the Rose Hall area, and the road also leads to the Sangster International Airport. Family members who gathered at the scene wept openly, none of whom were willing to be identified by name. The grieving mother of one of the young 4 children told reporters that he was a family man and his offspring were the love of his life. "Him love gimmick, so me no know how this happened to him," one relative remarked. Others were too traumatized to speak. The family relative who spoke on the behalf of the group said that the family was still mourning the death of Young's older brother, Shane Mackenzie, who was buried on Saturday. "We just do a trip around the island to clear our mind after Shane's funeral, only to see this happen," she lamented. Mackenzie was fatally shot on April the 5th during an attack on a sports bar on Bobman Hill in Lilliput community. 3 others were also injured during the incident. On Wednesday, the mother of both men, who was in Jamaica for Mackenzie's funeral, had to seek medical treatment after hearing the news that another one of her sons has been fatally shot. The police have yet to establish a motive for the killings, but they say they are continuing their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.